In this video, we will take a look at how to turn on or turn off OEM unlocking on the Samsung Galaxy A53. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. After that, we scroll down and tap on OEM unlocking. Tap on the toggle button to turn on. Then we enter the PIN and then tap on enable. Okay, so now we have activate bootloader. And if you want to switch it off, simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Now, so we need to restart the device if we have switched that off. Now, you may notice that if you have updated your phone to One UI 8, sometimes this feature is locked out, gone missing, because there is a settings or a switch that with One UI 8, once you update your phone to the latest software, these features will no longer be available. Samsung has decided to remove this feature completely because they say that it is for security reason to prevent theft and other features that may trip the Knox security. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.